Sometimes, the things we forget are the things that tell us the most about who we really are. One ordinary day, while cleaning his room, a boy noticed something hiding underneath his bed. It was an old cardboard box. He pulled it out and opened it. Inside were pieces of a life he had almost forgotten. An old photograph, a tiny toy car, a childhood drawing, a handwritten note, and memories of a boy who laughed easily, dreamed without fear, and believed almost anything was possible. Then he found an old drawing. It showed a dream he had once promised himself he would follow. He stared at it for a long time. When had he stopped believing in that dream? Maybe growing up had slowly replaced his curiosity with pressure. Maybe he had become so focused on becoming someone successful that he had forgotten to become someone happy. He looked through the box again. Every little object seemed to whisper the same thing. You haven't lost that person. You've just been too busy to remember him. So he cleaned his room. He kept the memories. He placed his childhood drawing where he could see it every day. And then he opened a fresh notebook. Not because he knew exactly where the dream would take him, but because he finally understood that starting again doesn't require knowing the whole journey. It only requires taking the first step. The next morning, the box had a new place on the shelf, and the space underneath the bed was empty. But something else had changed. The boy no longer felt like he had to leave his childhood behind. He realized growing up doesn't mean becoming someone completely different. It means carrying the best parts of who you were into the person you're becoming. Sometimes you don't need to find yourself. Sometimes you just need to remember where you left yourself. And then, take the